saying.
You gotta be ready for that shower curtain too.
These next hats. So this is the Jurassic Park one.
Oh, it is shiny.
Nice gold outline.
I like that. That's clean.
Yeah.
And then for these ones, we designed them with Raptors Supercollector Kai's, aka Sexy Beast. So the first one is kind of like paying homage to the parade route and some of the items for there. So if you watch the Raptors 2019 parade celebration, you'll see Kyle Lowry wearing an old school Raptor jersey. Kyle Lowry, Damon Stoudemire jersey. So
yeah, I saw that.
Old school TR.
Ooh.
That's cool.
And then
like that.
Brian getting chomped on.
That is that's sick.
Gold. So if you saw the Raptors championship hats, I mean they were designed by Drake when he wanted the chip with the dip, so the black and gold touch there. So that's the first one.
Hell yeah.
And this one's the Sexy Beast. I mean, I think John will like this one. Super premium materials. So it's got the wool, navy wool, just plain claw logo, no side patch, tonal flag, grander white guts like they're supposed to be, and then the Harvard Classics.
Hell yeah.
Teamed up with Kai to put these hats together. He'll be posting some stories and some of the merch that goes with it. He's a Raptors super collector. He's got so many game used jerseys and stuff like that. So shut the cap for the goggles too, by the way. But dropping Friday from Styll.
Don't some of these hats come with a pin? I think I saw his story saying
that's right. The pin. All right, so I was pitching Shaheen an idea last year when the Raptors did the Vince Carter through the leg. I told him he should do a custom logo of the Raptor that he could release, exclusive to his company. Oh wait, why did I cover you guys? That's so weird.
No,
he's gone anyway.
I was changing my battery.
He's gone anyway. So we did the Vince Carter and the honey dip pose, or the Raptor.
Oh, that's cool. I like that.
So none of these would get approved by New Era or Mitchell and Ness, so he's giving them away. So he's not selling these. But Jazz Alba did the art for it. Shout out to Jazz. But yeah. Look at the little details on it, like the mesh on the net. Even got his logo on the shorts. It's a crazy pin. Cannot buy these pins included in the hat. And then for Kai's part 2, we're gonna up that pin another level. So you guys have to stay tuned for that.
Oh.
All right, goggles off.
So you can only get the hat with the pin. You can't get by separately.
You can only get the pins with the hat.
Yeah, vice versa. Yeah.
While supplies last. So there's that, and then I think he posted. Yeah, so here we go. We got the parade route and the Sexy Beast right there. So he's been featured on a number of different channels and been interviewed by NBAXL and stuff like that. But yeah, this is Kai. His page is crazy curated. He puts my jersey game to shit.
Holy.
Yeah. See, this is what I'm saying.
Guy loves Toronto.
He loves Toronto. Yeah. I'm not even nowhere close to this level.
Oh, that Hakeem Olajuwon jersey.
Yeah. He got some stuff. So everyone give Kai a shout out. Give him a follow. Check him out. He's got real cool content.
Yeah.
Cool pictures. Real cool guy. Yeah, he's got stuff.
Sean Marks too. A Sean Marks jersey? Who has a Sean Marks jersey?
All right. Danny Fortson. Andrew Wiggins, Canada. Kyle Lowry.
Sean Marks.
Yeah. Sean Marks. He's got it all. Shout out to Kai, man. All right. Moving forward.